Hannah Atsianzale nore ni nyina wa mutongoria wa kiama ANC Musalia Mudavadi ahurukire kiroko kia umuthi ari thibitari-ini wa Nairobi Hospital kuria akoretwo akiamukira urigitani. Kiaria na ndekia mohoro thutha wa mwiri wa matigaire gutoro nyumba-ini ya kuiga miri gali, Musalia Mudavadi nianireire ni moro ni mundu wa bata muturire-ini wao no rendete andu.
The wife of the late Substone Moses Mudavadi. She passed away in Nairobi Hospital while undergoing treatment.
Mudavadi akiuga ni megukoro makenera muthenya wa mathiko indi ni megukoro na muthenya wa mwanya wa gucakaya mutigaire na toguo tu mwingine ugakorwo kiheo mweke wa kwirorera mwiri na kuheana gitio kiao kia muthia.
She was aged 92, so she had lived quite a full life, and we thank God that she was able to be with us for that time.
Mutongoria wa bũrũri Uhuru Kenyatta ni umwe wa atongoria aria matumire ndumiriri ya macakaya guku akiuga mutigaire arari mundu mwerutiri no rari na ngoro ya kwenda andu.
He gives and he takes, but we shall be rolling out the details of the arrangement, including some viewing arrangements.
Here, as the people of Vihiga are starting all the way from Rwanda up to here, we feel saddened by the loss of our mother.
Ningesi kuambia watu wetu mama ametuacha, yes, na bado na hizi ni masiku mbaya za corona. Tukiomboleza mama, tuomboleze tukifunga mask, tunawe mikono, to sanitize our hands for ndio tushikwe na mambo ya corona.
Nake munini wa mutongoria wa bũrũri Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto agicakaya mutigaire ta mutumia urari na kio no rerutĩire na njĩra nene kurera ciana ciake na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire. Ndumiriri-ini yake mutongoria wa UDM Raila Odinga nake akiuga kuriwe mutigaire arari murata na family yake ni oro ni mundu wa bata.
I want to take this opportunity on behalf of the Nairobi Hospital to pass our condolences on behalf of the chairman and the board of the hospital and management. We share your grief and we want to assure you that we are together and our prayers are with you.
Hannah Mudavadi ahurukire ari no ũkũrũ wa mĩaka 92 nĩrĩgĩrĩirwo gũkahurũkio mwena wa Malulu gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa mbunge gĩa Sabatia kaunti-inĩ ya Vihiga. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Nũngari wa Kamau.